Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Zultalha. Will show the procedure from the start phase. First, we open the Unity software, choose the new, and make sure to choose the 3D templates for our project. We give title for our project, like our project music player project AR. Then we click create button. We need to wait for system to responding. Okay, here the Unity software. The first thing we need to do is open the package manager. We need to install the Vuforia package. Okay, we wait for loading package. Okay, next we type Vuforia. Okay, we need to click the install. We install first the Vuforia engine for our project. We can see here the install symbol, that we can guarantee that Vuforia engine already been installed. And next we go to build setting. We need to change this project into Android operating system. We click the Android and switch platform. There are many platforms we can use for our project, but we choose Android for easy task. Okay, next first we delete main camera because we don't need it. And then we import. We go to Vuforia engine, we import AR camera, and we import image target. After we successfully import image target and AR camera, we need to put the license key. First we need to go AR camera and open the configuration, and here the apps license key. How to get the license key? We need to open the Google and go to Vuforia developer. Click the top one, the first one. Okay, you need to register and log in, and I'm already logged in. Go to develop section, and then okay, get the development key. We type our project name, music player project AR. Okay, click tick and confirm, and now we see the music player project AR, the new license we get. Okay, here the license. We need to copy. See, copy to clipboard, open to Unity software, and paste all to here. Okay, now for image target, we need to choose our image. First, how to import the image? We need to create the database. Here we go to target manager. We need to add database, the name of our database like usual, music player project AR, create, and here music player project AR. We can see target 0, which means we don't have any picture. Okay, we need to add the picture, the target, browse, choose the picture that we want, choose one, the width 50, add. Okay, do the same to other 3 picture. We add active, we choose guitar, same, the width 50. Okay, we add others, keyboard picture. keyboard picture, open, width 50, same. And for the last image target, if you have 10 pictures, so you have to import 10 image target. Okay, like us, we have 4 image target. Okay, you can see here active, we have 4, and download all the image target, download database, choose the Unity editor, download. Okay, we can see the below here at the bottom. Okay, we drag the database into the asset section, import all. Once we import, we choose here our new database, Music Player AR. Okay, here the violin picture. We adjust the scale, we adjust the position. Okay, then how to add our video. First thing, we need to go plane under the image target. Plane, we rescale the plane. Like me, I'm going to 0.1, 0.1, and 0.1 on X, Y, Z axis. Then you design the plane, like how do you want to show, how do you want it to show later once we detect the image target. Okay, like me, I'm going to make like a laptop figure on 45 degree. Okay, here I'm adjust the position, the scale. Okay, then once we already get the plane, we need to import our video, the video that we want to put into the plane. Okay, for violin, so we choose the violin video, we add into the asset. Okay, then at the plane section, we scroll down and we can see the add component. We type video player. Okay, we click and we can see here there is none video, so we drag the video into the section, into the slot. We need to create the coding, the C# script here, and we rename it to violin script. This script for neglect the video from continuous play when we move the camera away from the image target. Okay, we open the script that we want to adjust, that we want to change, the violin script. Okay, we can see here this is a new script. Then the default script at image target, we need to open it also here. The default trackable event, we need to open. Now on the default trackable event, the default script, we need to copy all and we paste to our new script, the violin script. We paste all here. Okay, the first thing we need to do in our new script is our we change the title, the function to same as our script title, like this violin script. So we change to violin script, so we can call it on others function. Okay, then here we need to put the using Unity engine dot events, a function for the video to play and pause, so we can control the video to play and pause. And then we go to line 22. We need to let it public Unity event on track to play the track once we pointing the camera to image target, and public Unity event on loss to stop the video when we pointing away our camera from the image target, so the video will not continuous play. Okay, we save. And for the public function, we need to change also in the line 65. Here we must call it, we type on track dot invoke and semicolon. Okay, this is for the play function. And we say we do the same thing to the stop function. Here on loss dot invoke and semicolon. Don't forget to semicolon. Then we save. You can see here on play and on loss. Okay, save. Then we open the Unity software. Okay, once we open, we go to asset. You can see here this is our new script, and on default script we need to untick, or better to remove it, delete the component, remove the component, and we drag our new script that we had changed into the image target. We scroll down. Okay, we can see here the violent script. Okay, here we click the plus button, none plan, so we drag the plan and set the function. For me, I set for the play, and do the same at the loss plus, and we drag the plan. We choose the function, and for me I'm choose stop, better than pause. Okay, the video. Okay, here don't forget to untick the on awake, and make sure to tick the loop for your setting. Okay, we can do this to others image target. Here my time lapse, I'm fast forward for others 3 image, the coding and the scale, the plan, the video for others 3 image target. After we get our 4 image target, we save, then make sure, and it's time to build. Okay, set the name APK file. Okay, build the APK file. Okay, wait, and here this show that our system, our project is successful. We can forward this APK file. That's all from me. Thank you.